111. So basically what we do here, ladies and gentlemen, we get to advertise your goods and services, we get to sell on your behalf, we get to connect you, connect the buyers to the sellers and the sellers to the buyers, and we are very much flexible. And if you've got a house, you've got a plot, or maybe you have a shop and you want people to rent, or maybe want people to buy it, look no further, just get in touch with us on the number which is there on your screen. Then we'll be able to give you more information how to go about it. And there are some people basically who have got a barber shop, a hair salon, or maybe you are running a restaurant, or maybe you deal with phones, you fix phones, laptops, or maybe you have a school, college, nursery, primary, secondary school. Yes, any business we get to accommodate you. Do you sell charcoal? Yes, Malasha, Malasha, do you do that? If happens to do everything that I've mentioned and few other things that I've left out, please don't even hesitate. Don't look down on your business. Just get in touch with us on the number which is there on your screen, and we'll be very much delighted to hear from you and get to connect you to the right people that might be in need of what you do. Okay, great stuff. So as you can see in the studio, I'm not alone. I'm with someone from the Elisa Properties, and she's here to give us more light, the business that they do, the plots, the lands, the farms that they have, and basically, trust me guys, business and my plot, my land, my farm, see how. So once you get yourself a plot, a farm, a land, a house, you are guaranteed to get a for Africa. You've been in Lusaka for 30 years with the plot. Anyways, Madam Elizabeth, nafrokambati, Madam Rebecca nasi ya nyumba che mind. Avuta mzika na. Anyways, Madam Elizabeth, muli bwanji.
Bwino muli bwanji.
Bwino nchitundu bwanji mwenacho comfortable.
I think iko mixing ate. Ngena kwa mchinyanja, ngena kwa mchizungu, ngena kwa mkahemba.
No, munanileta ku studio kwanu, munanitambisa bizungu ile sinenzombera. Okay, so introduction kuri wajewa kutamani for the first time.
Okay. Inendine Elizabeth Sakala. Yeah, ni sevenza ku Elisa Properties.
That's right.
Sure. Uko ku Elisa Properties. Tigulisa vintu vosiana siana.
Okay.
Mamene yamvekela kuti properties, meaning it's any property.
Okay.
Yeah, tigulisa manyumba, ma farms, ma plots, even if you have vehicles and the likes, vonse tigulisa. Koma pano lero, tabolera nkhani ya ma plots. We are here, yes, for just lands.
Lands.
That's the reason why we are here.
Okay. So, mwakambira ti muna ma plots, ma lands, na kapira na mafamu mulinayo?
Na mafarms yonse tilinayo.
Okay. Tiyambi tsatayina time. Nikuti kuri malandi, nikuti kuri maplot, kuri mafamu nikuti.
Maplot yatu yalikosiana siana, tina maplots kwa Mungule. Tina maplots ku 15 miles. Tina maplots ku Chongwe.
Okay.
Yeah, ku Chongwe kwa even mafarms. Mafarm plot yamene tilinayo. Yambira pa 100 by 100 kuyenda kusogolo.
Sogolo.
Ngati wafuna 100 by 100, 100 by 200, 200 by 200. Chiri mwamene waganizilira wene wake.
Okay. Then if last time penda bwana endako inenda bwana tengamuza che sitima funa stay explore. Kuraonda ko sitima funa che tankara. Kuteni maonsi kwa Mungule kwa kuja mushimushi wana ma plots, then ku distance kutoka ku road kufika ku land or kuli plot ni 1.9 kilometers from Mungule market.
Mungule market.
Kutoka pa market kufika pali plot 1.9 kilometers. Anzatu anaenda kuskuru azafiti kamapo. Ongati mwasalira ko mushemushe. Mungatitumire pali namba yamene pa screen 0773 132 Then za kupasana more information mungashitire. Then kuna ma titled plots. Yes, ma 20 by 20 meters. Ayevi yamaenda ma different prices.
Yari ma different prices ma titled plots. 20 by 20 iyambira pa 25,000 kwacha. Yeah, ayo ni makash. Ngati wafuna installment ni 33,000 kwacha.
33,000 kwacha.
Yeah, so our installment plan, you pay half, which is a 50% of 33,000 kwacha.
Okay.
Then the remaining, you'll be paying pangono within 3 months.
Okay.
Mwasiriza.
So installment ni 3 months.
3 months nishiyasira.
So kumangala tuwapitiza 3 months zema boost kamanje.
Ija tiziva vintu vimavuta sometimes. Mwamene waviplanira ati zasiza 3 months wapezekati vavuta vintu. So the best they can do our viewers amene mutitamba, the best you can do, call us, give us a call.
Okay.
Tiye tikambisane tione kuti tidzatandizana bwanji.
Okay.
Because tifunika kukutandizani naimwe pamene mutitandiza.
Okay.
Noti vintu vavuta munazima che munangala zisitiziva pemwe imirira. Give us a call. We are going to help you as you are going to help us.
Okay.
Sure.
Nanga kwina nkulima plot ni kuti.
Kwina nkulima plot ni ku patakamba yako
Kwa Mungule.
Kwa Mungule. Kwina ngo ni ku Senjera ku Chongwe even ma farms yemetakamba kudala even 65,000 100 by 100.
Okay.
65,000 kwacha 100 by 100.
Okay.
Kweve yambira tebe pa 100 by 100 kwenda kumwamba. Kulibe tungono kweve huko.
Kwa votikano.
And then ku 15 miles tilina ma 15 by 15 yeve yaendera pa 25.
Mawe ya chipazo hivi.
Kai tifuna ku balance konsekonse. Stifuna bamela kakamba chese tenzeti biletu munadulisa bwanji so bamela baliko na 2.5 batifike tizabapasa pa 15 miles.
Okay. Nice one. So yes, monga kustache add-on monga venizi vako na so ku 15 miles. Kuna ma plots option 25, yes, ma 15 by 15, then kuma 20 by 20 ni ma 5,000 even. Then kuna ma 20 by 30. Yes, musha ni ma 7,500. 7,500 kwa change mwastabwaji mwatenga ka plot mwastabwaji mamanga then remember munusaka ngatifuna chonga le safe. Unkaleche safe mushimusho unafika mnusaka. Funga uko tena ka plot.
Kwa siri.
Ka plot and plot si yola. So maya kuti muntu angule plot. What's the procedure? Nifanya vipi mashani kubwela chato na bogura then ina madeze mainda ku site ni madeze branch.
Okay. So muntu akafuna kugula plot. Chamena funga kuyambirira face wazachitumira phone. Bazatuma phone yamene yonikira pa screen bazatuma.
Okay.
Yeah. So bakatuma tizabauza manje zokongapo. But before wakalipe kutuma ningakambiretu.
Kambira ndo.
Ku site tipereka every day. Apa tilipe ma days. From 9 hours to 17 hours.
Okay.
Every day se wakakamba tilelo ni ready pa Sunday setwapereka. Ine ni ready pa Monday setwapereka. Every day ku site tipereka. And then bakaenda ku site kuja bakakondako. Bazabwera pa office. Pa office paja tina mapepe metita na agreement forms. Ma agreement forms ayo tizashita agree mwana wazalipirira ngati ni cash, ngati ni installment, tizashita agree. Then whatever we are going to agree, it will be written mu agreement form. Wewe wazatenga ko original copy ise tizasala na photocopy.
Okay.
Or duplicate.
Vizungu hivyo. Chopara nako.
And then kwenda ku site. Ili yonse transport yamene bafuna kuyuzinga bayuzinga kapena babwana ndeke kapa babwana motoka kapa babwana njinga ise tibapereka but sifuna kubwana na mendo tibapereka na transport yao and then makagula ija transport yani bayuzinga ise tibabwezera for example ngato yuzinga 500 kwenda kuwendo na land babwera po bolo gula paja ise tizacho sako 500 na kuwapasa ija ni mayuzinga ya transport.
Wow.
Ndiye kuoma kwa kaena kwa Elisa Properties.
Hi.
As far as your eyes can see.
Ndiye moto?
Ndiye moto
As far as your eyes can
see.
Okay, so there are farmlands. We have in Lufunsa at Sinjela. The farmlands are just near Rufunsa Girls Boarding School. And there's power there. Rufunsa kuna malaiti. Kubeno malaiti bwanji ni ma 100 by 100 ni ma 65 once again munga mwe watu kukambilako. Yes, then munga tenge yambili kupitirira pe hapo. Ngati mufuna kupitirira yapitira pa 100 by 100 mungatenge chiri kulimwe depends na ndrama za muri nazo. Then ya 65 ni cash or na even installment.
Iyo ni cash.
Cash.
Iyo ya 65 ni cash. But bamenda kambira kuti bakabwera ku office tizao na flexibility kuti bazafuna kuyilipira bwanji. Bazafuna kuyilipira bwanji.
Okay.
Tingatandizane hapo. Makabwera ku office kwamba ine okay ilandi nizina ikonda nifuna kutenga pa cash 65 kwa maana pesa kuti pali no time niliko na 50 iyi nangu nileta pa mafendi tizagwirizana.
Okay,
tizagwirizana otherwise eveyo ni cash. Okay, okay, in short meaning na cash titenga pale 65.
Okay,
tinyamula na cash.
Nice one. So vet kama hapo hivi ngandipe master tune in Mtama City TV pa Go TV pa channel 24 then pa Top Star pa channel 111 tikama na Madam Elizabeth Sakala Wachoka ku Elisa Properties as far as your eyes can go see or maybe imagine. Nice one. So muntali wants something like a plot, then got you ufuna plot, ufuna land, ufuna farm. Vonse barinavo. Then wadinga nvambili sima plot, sima farm cheka na manyumba wagurisa. Wena manyumba ya rent. Munga mbonera ma pictures hapa screen nayo. Yes, ni kuma site kukomana ndo gula banzano na development iliko. Tikakamba development simply means bantu wanamba no manga. Then aya ma places emuona hapo kundiko na madramu kuna mabucket hapo musho na chide no roof icho chibwera musho. Remember olokwe kuna kwa tinkala kuna. Kwenze wansi musana. But inapeze kati bantu wanasta banji banagula mambo manga. Hello? Hello.
Hello.
Yes sir, good afternoon. How are you?
Fine sir, how are you?
We are okay sir. What's your name and where are you calling us from sir?
This is Benson Tembo calling from Kabwe.
Mr. Tembo.
Yes.
Okay, Mr. Tembo, how can we help you this afternoon sir?
I was asking just from watching the advertisement on the TV.
Yes sir.
Yes, about the products that are being sold.
Yes sir.
Yes, so I'm asking about how much from I just said from Mongolia. How much are they, and how is it?
Okay, from Mungule, Yaku Mungule. They have different. Kapena mungayansa ringi mami. Yeah. Okay, you're still there, right?
Yes.
Okay, yeah.
Okay, for Mungule, that is 10 miles. We have the other ones, they are on title. The other ones, they are traditional lands. So for those which are on title, it's 20 by 20. They are going at 25,000 kwacha. That is cash.
Okay.
Yes, and then on installment, it's 33,000 kwacha.
33.
33,000 kwacha.
Okay.
Those on title. And then those which are traditional lands, it's about 1.9 kilometers from Mungule Market. Yes. Then those ones,
They are different.
they
They are different. Others, they find that yenangu yaenda pama munga mwakambira 25,000, which is cash. Then ngamfuna installment is 33,000 quarter. So now,
Okay. Then what of 15 miles?
on 15 miles, we have they have like the ones which are going at 2,500. These are 15 by 15.
Okay.
Then
How far from Great North Road?
how many kilometers?
From Great North Road, it's about
Should be 2 or 3
2.5 kilometers.
Yes.
2.5.
kilometers.
Okay. Then I'll go for those in 15 miles. Then maybe tomorrow or yesterday, just to call you, then you direct me to the office.
No problem, sir. So we've gotten your number already. So we'll definitely call you once when the program is done, sir.
Okay.
Thank you very much, Mr. Tembo, for calling. Or maybe you have another question.
No, that's what I wanted to know.
Thank you very much. I appreciate it for
Thank
calling.
you.
Thank you.
So the number that you can call in is 0773 132 799 is the number that you can call in. And what questions do you have? We have all the answers to the questions that you have, ladies and gentlemen, right here. Wherever you're watching us live, and this is the live presentation of Selling Point right here on City TV, where we get to advertise the goods and services on very cheap and low prices. And we get to connect it from the sellers to the buyers and the buyers to the sellers. That's how it goes. And so any business, do you sell cars, laptops, restaurants, barbershop, hair salon, food, butchery, my college, my university? Yes. Just like yeah, so now we're still talking to Madam Elizabeth Sakala, from the Elisa
Properties.
As far as your eyes
Can see.
as far as your eyes can see, as far as your eyes can go.
You can get that land as far as your eyes can see. So you can still get it.
No, tinaona kwa masosha na kwa lelo magula plot 2, 3, 4 years down the line. No, I plot munagula part nzofuna fakapo manda ya family, bana kugurisana mandani, kwenza government ya branch, kansela chitechi. Yano yali genuine bwanji.
It's a plot theatrically genuine. genuine che maningi because before tikalibamba kugulisa abantu timamba taindo chita survey. First of all, we survey our lands. After surveillance, we go to the headman, the village headman. Yeah, tifunika tingalizona sure kwamba kuti iyi land leva tigulisa ni vachite vonse na mapepa vachite handover taziva noziva ti land manje ni yato.
Okay.
Yeah, still fikira pamene apo chapetepeza ka bush pamene apo titigulisa timangana na ntchito nice tifuna nice timafuna nkala sure kuti izona land ni yato.
Okay.
Sure.
Hello, mwasenza bwanji?
Bwino mami mwasebenza bwa?
Chabe bwino. Nifunza ako hii?
Ati vandani zina watimira kuti mami?
Nene Naomi.
Okay, wa Madam Naomi. Muri kuti?
Nilikukitwa.
Okay.
Nanga hiyo yako chongwe hiyo. Kutoka parodi ili bwanji.
Yai kurufunsa Shanshani school. Most risari patari na road. Yalichema 3.2 kilometers from the road. Then goodness kuri development na malaiti yonse yaliko. No wanda yalipa 65.
Na school ilipa fupi.
Okay.
No wanda yalipa na school iliko. No wanda yalipa 65,000. Why? Because there's development in pafupi na road. Skutari jago bati no musta no rema musta umvera munga muri out of country.
Okay.
Mami.
Nanga office ilipa ati road bwanji.
Office tilipa City TV ku studio kamene kuno ndio kwa ngabwere.
Ku studio?
Tilipa ku Kalundu. Plot number 5775.
Okay.
Mami.
Chabuye.
Mungatitumire time iliyonse pali number minute ili 24/7.
Yamene hii?
Mami.
All right.
Sure. So muzabwera liti kupangira ngoni kalanji.
Tunafaka program.
Okay.
Okay, mungatume or even after program yamene ino.
Okay.
Tingakambisane. Bonse amene mfuna kutuma namba ni amene yeli pa screen
0773132799. Ndiye namba mungatumire.
Ndiye namba yotumira hapo yamene iyo mutume tizakupasani ma directions mobwelera pano pa City TV then from here tikupelekani ku site. Cheta kuleterani ku City TV stifuna pali mairo mukagula ati no muzokambira pa TV munatipeleka kwa tufuna at least surety muzote even ndivili genuine David tufuna check TV zende. Anyways, ngandipe master tuning in selling point to advertise my goods and services very vonse business idioms for as long as in the business to gulisilani then naye mwebena ngo bogulisa tukisali connect kuri bogula then naye mwogula tukisali connect kuri bogulisa. Yes, prima plot ku 10 miles. Yes, it's about 1.9 kilometers kutoka Pamungure market kwenda ku market. Then my plot voice research it's titled ungakambe kwanje bichinyanja yako. Okay, na darazida ina kudada direction ili manja mwako
ili kumanja mwako embeleza chewe. Yes, ni 20 by 20 then eve yaenda pa 25,000 hiyo ni cash. 25,000 hiyo ni cash. Then ngati mwalelela na apapeni kamba mwaona kuna mafotos ndiye kwa mimi kweti kupelekana. Then kuna installment kuti muzipira ko pangono ni 33,000 kwatsa cash. Then hiyo mfunika mwaisiliza mu 3 months. And muzi wache ni family sinde wao mukabwera mwana no 33 mu 3 months asitakubana bwanji tingazemweti mungazipangazemwe munga kambira na hivi so that mwana munga pangira ndemwe mankarira sinde tino shani 33 bwaja then 15 hours mushe kuna maplot nangu ni ma 15 by 15 yevenda pa 2,500 kwatsa cash. Yes, ma 15 by 15 nje kukula kwa kwa plots. Then kuna ma 20 by 20 yaenda pa 5,000 kwatsa cash. Yes, I want ma 20 by 20. Then kuna 20 by 30 yaenda pa 7,500 kwatsa cash. Ni mwende. Muntu afinga ikona ka plot guys. Chalo sisila kusobera sikusila. Apa mumagwira ma 5,000 ma 10,000 nkashita wino. Imyaka yishiresta chani ngashita wino
chile kunkuluka
hai abana bale kula.
Like we always say, you can only be a Zambian if you have land. Minus land, you are not a Zambian. I'm telling you the truth. Be a Zambian. It's not only by NRC. Land. because nganafa lero abana bandisha kabashira NRC ngabashira land, they will be known to be Zambians because they have land, not NRC. I will go with it actually.
That's the thing. So for you to be called somebody, you need to do something which is very amazing. What are we talking about here? We're talking about you get yourself a plot, you get yourself a land at very affordable prices. 20 by 20, it's going at 25,000 kwacha. Then installment, it's going at 33,000. That's titled plots. Those are the titled plots. They're in 15 miles. So have a caller on the line. Hello. Okay, so make sure mukatuma make sure muna talk time yambili so that we get to talking chatting muka paging astitumai. Don't go back please also to the muka paging astitumai ndimwe so mfungo stangu tumache direct then takambiza na mjumushi pepano. Selling point business idioms mu malasha ndimo wabola muna katimu kabona mfuna uti wakuzibeni ndimo wa pasta muna chechi mfuna uti wakuzibeni Peranche pepa na pasi TV chikisini kuna advertise pa mtengo shongono. Steve utanovuta. Yes, munga mwone la mafoto zeti langizayo. Yes, my locations in yopu sana ku 10 miles kulitmala plots tuenda chepa mtengo wa mushe the distance from the road from the market to those pictures that you are able to see on the screen it's 1.9 kilometers from Mungule market to the plots, and we have titled plots. They have titled plots 20 by 20. These are just going at 25,000 kwacha cash. That's cash. And if you want to get on installment, you just pay 33,000 kwacha cash, whereby you get to finish your balance within 3 good months. Yes, 15 hours. We also have plots. Price it's going at 2,500 kwacha. That's 15 by 15. Okay, so pay attention to the sizes and the prices. 15 by 15 is going at 2,500 kwacha cash. Then we also have 20 by 20, which is going at the 5,000 kwacha cash. Not forgetting 20 by 30. The bigger the size, the bigger the price.
Amount.
The bigger the amount. That's and it's up to you. If you want to, farm anything, you want to, tenda mkulima hapa. Just get to maybe a 20 by 30, 20 by 20, 15 by 15. It's up to you. Depends with the plan that you have. One time, about this year, guys, mvula is unlocked whip.
Is unlocked this year.
Is unlocked about uzadabu che weka che wa shamba. Seminali mako che tunshawa. Hey. So apart from uploads, nivina ngufita vyo madilinga navo, Madam Sakala.
Veti madilinga navo vinangu manyumba.
Oho. Mumasta bwanji, mumapukanyira abantu manyumba.
Ise timagulisa manyumba.
Oho.
Timagulisa manyumba, for example, muna nyumba mzatu tina nyumba kwa so ise tenda kuikopa na kukulisilani.
Oh.
And then ifuti timamanga manyumba tikamanga again wamene wagula ma plots ngati wakambatise tibe bricklayer. Tivapasa futi ma bricklayers vatu. Very trustworthy.
Marai.
Not mara kaiti ngala panzi. Timverane kai bafunga kumwa manzi bajantu. So ni vambiri vetu dilingana navo. Tina ma businesses yambiri.
Okay. So kuri bajabe bashitache bayashashe TV kuri bajabe bashitache tune in pa Facebook nipe batama wadaba bajenji nanga wazoka pa parifichani. So mungapitse kuche pamoja pati ma project yomoni nato na kuma site na tuma distance.
Okay, kuri mwamene mwa segula manje ma TV yanu kaya pa kuli shading maybe pamene yabwera ma lights. Ise we are here to advertise for the plots. Tina ma lands kuma areas kosiana. Tina ma plots ku 10 miles Mungule area. Tina ma plots 15 miles about 2.5 kilometers from Great North Road. Tina ma plots Senjera, that is Kuchongwe, ma farm plots. Yeah. So ku Senjera 100 by 100 65,000 kwacha cash. Near Lufunsa Girls School. Imo mukagula paja mwika chetu ma boarding houses. Nishimwe life ya wama. Singa wame kuchida napo. Nishi ya wama life.
So kai
Pafina school. Ni advantage hiyo. Added advantage.
Amalaiti aliko no abana ku school kanji.
Nishana wabana waenda chekuja break waboya kudia mnyumba.
Kwasili.
Devo chita.
So it's going at how much?
That one is for 65,000 kwacha. 100 by 100. If you want bigger than that, you
It's up
can
to you.
get it's up to
Hectares.
you. Yeah.
You've got hectares.
Yes.
Hectares.
Then those yamenali pa Mungule, it's about 1.9 kilometers from Mungule market
To the site.
to the site.
To the plots.
Ayo ndiyo yamene timaitana titled.
Oh.
Yes. Nima titled lands. Yeve yaenda pa 20 by 20 ni 25,000 kwacha.
Okay.
25,000 kwacha. Iyo mukagula kulibe kuenda kuliwa Edmani, kulibe kuenda kurusha title atinaenda kukanso boma chane avonse vikudala mkati. Mukagula imwe chito yanchabe nikumanga. Kulibe na menaza kusokonezani ni title dikai. Already on title 25,000 kwacha chapwa. Yayo nchimwagula. Then ingati mufuna pa installment tizakupasani pa 33,000. 33,000 mulipirako half, the remaining half you finish within 3 months. Nishimwe chapwa ndimwe wa Zambian.
Wow.
And then ku 15 miles tina 15 by 15 ayo yeve yaenda pa 2,500 kwacha. 2,500 kwacha. Mameta kambira ni 2.5 kilometers kwenda fika pa site. Sipatali 2.5 ni kangono mwe bantu.
Pangono. Bantu akufamba kumuzi ma distance etenzoenda.
2.5 ni sana.
But any last words emulina kuli wa customers kuli watamba wa mawe ya last ovaliza.
Mawe ya last yamene ninga kozeni ma customers batu, ma fellow Zambians. Be a Zambian by getting land from Elisa Properties. You know one thing, chamechi manibaba kumtima. You find that people who are not Zambian, they are the ones who are buying lands. They are the ones who are buying lands from us. And they are the ones who now claim to be Zambians. You see? So be a Zambian by acquiring land from Elisa Properties. By doing that, you are going to be a permanent Zambian. Not a Zambian by age, but a Zambian by land. That's my encouragement.
Nice one.
You can call the number on the screen.
Yes. So, just to add on, before we say goodbye, what she meant by saying be a Zambian, she meant to say, don't just go out clubbing, partying, dancing, me. When I'm going to mabaya, chimakanga cha uti mgule pabu yonsi. Bloko emozi ni 2 kwacha 15 ngwe. But mobani zingati 27 kwacha chikuru ja. Kina kuna 30 kwacha.
At the black tape.
Vieva mene vatipange black tape. Black tape boy mzaipanga for how long? Okay, you know our time is up, but let's just accommodate this caller. Hello?
Hello?
Yes, boss. Bwino boss mwa choma bwanji mwe? Yes, atiwandani sina watumira kuti.
Hello?
Ndi mwandani sina mtumira ku? Ndi mwandani opagade nawo boss?
Ndokamba na Ivan.
Ndani?
Ivan.
Wa Ivan pagade nawo sati bwanja boss funsa ntimve.
Yalipanda ma protest.
Mwashitana bwino ufuna ufunsisisa madam tenti wanke ku ati ma
Funsani wa Ivan.
Mari, nafata ma protest yalipanda ma payment.
Ma payments tina yali ku 15 miles ni 15 by 15 yeve yaendera pa 25 cash.
25 cash.
25 cash and then yali ku Mungule ni ma titled yeve ni 25,000 kwacha 20 by 20.
So yes 25
Ili betaito ni 15 by 15 ngati mufuna mukagula tikuperekani kuli wa headman na kweve yeve ayo ndani ma traditional lands.
Nilipira zingati
kuli wa headman apa banalundako lundako mukatuma phone after program tizamuuzani bwino banalunda.
Okay, mwishimunitumira madam kazi.
All right, no problem. Okay, na time ya sila hapa.
Nice one. So vitu kama mavene ni selling point business idionse so eti na Madam Elizabeth Sakara wachoka ku Elisa Properties bakaswili ba maplot mama nyumba bagulisa bamanga mamoto kabiribonse mama dimiana nabo. And so pay up and peti kambira goodbye tizawana na 40 past 17 hours na the official top 10 countdown music is atuambile mkonda music shimarira maning so tizaonana pa 17 hours osaivala.
The Selling Point is a show that shines a spotlight on your product and businesses. We are thrilled to introduce incredible products and successful local businesses. Whether you are looking for a unique handmade good, innovative service, or the latest must-have items, we will bring the items to you. Your next favorite find is just a moment away. Do you have a business you want to advertise? Look no further. We've got you covered.